Good morning to all my dear students. In this video we are going to do the annual revision of social study, that is of chapter number 9, Culture and Heritage of India. Students, as I have already explained you this chapter, so in this video we are going to discuss the book exercise as well as the question answers related to this chapter. So the first we will discuss our book exercise. So the first book exercise, tick right against the correct option. 3 options are given and you have to choose one of them. So the first is the Victoria Memorial in Kolkata was built by the dash. By the British is the answer. Now second, the wall painting in the Ajanta caves depict the events from the life of dash. So answer is Gautam Buddha. Now the classical dance form of Odisha is dash. So the classical dance form of Odisha is that Odissi. So we will choose Odissi. You have to put right here it Odissi. Okay. Now the language that is written from right to left. So which language is written right to left? Urdu is a language which written from right to left. Now question number 5. Dash is the harvest festival of Punjab. So the name of the harvest festival of Punjab is Baisakhi. Now students, come to next. Next is that we have to fill the following blanks. So the first is dash style of music was developed in South India. So Carnatic, answer is Carnatic. Carnatic style of music was developed in South India. Persian artists made miniature paintings very popular in India. So the answer is miniature. Which type of painting? Persian artists made miniature paintings. Now the third one is the dash temple is at Ellora. So which temple is at Ellora? Kailash temple. Now Madurai is famous for its dash temple. Madurai is very famous for its Meenakshi temple. Now fifth one, India Gate is in what? India Gate is in Delhi. So Delhi is the answer. Now students, we will see next. Name the following. Here we have to give the examples of each of them. 2 examples of the giving. Okay. So language written from right to left. Which language is written from right to left? Urdu and Sindhi. Musical instrument, veena, tabla. Okay. You can also write here violin, Casio or something. You can also write the music instrument you have to write. Okay. Now national festivals, there are only 3 national festivals: Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti and Independence Day. Now modern classical singer, so Pandit Jasraj and Bhimsen. Okay. Harvest festival is Pongal, Onam and Baisakhi is the harvest festival. Now come to match the following. We have to match according to the given one. Okay. So Kathak is what? North India is the dance form of North India. Now Ghumar is the dance form of Rajasthan. Dandiya is the dance form of Gujarat. Bihu is the dance form of Assam. Kuchipudi is the dance form of Andhra Pradesh. Now students, we will see the question answers. So the first question is that how many major languages are there in India? So there are 22 official languages recognized by the Constitution of India. So now students, the next question is that write a short note on the different religions practiced in India. So student, answer is India is a secular country. Our country is known for its diversity in religions, culture, etc. Then also India represents unity. Different religions practice and purge the religion of their own choice. Like Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism and Jainism. Now question number 3, student, is that name any 4 classical dances of India. So 4 classical dances of India are Odissi, Manipuri, Kathakali and Kathak. Now question number 4, give any 4 example of Mughal type of architecture. So the Mughal type of architecture are Qutub Minar, Jama Masjid, Red Fort and Taj Mahal. Now the question number 5, how many kinds of festivals do we celebrate in India? So students, there are 3 types of festivals in India are National Festival, Religious Festival and Harvest Festival. Now question number 6, why should we be proud of our heritage? So student, we should proud of our heritage because it helps us to connect and learn other culture that we may not be familiar, by which we learn to respect each other. And so students, now the book exercise and question answers we have discussed, and if you have any doubt or query related to this video or question answers of this chapter, you can ask me anytime.